Hello YouTubers. Well, as you can see, here is an unboxing, the first unboxing video on the Dennis Bloodnok channel, and as you can see, we are about to unbox the Osmo Mobile 3 DJI Gimble. As you can see in the packaging, we have the lanyard, charging cable, as you can see, quite a nice carrying case. And here is the DJI Gimble. Hello YouTubers, well here we are using the Huawei P20 Pro whilst attached to the Osmo DJI 3 Gimble. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. More videos to follow using mobile phones whilst attached to this gimbal. So please like and subscribe, and Dennis Bloodnok will return in the next video. Thank you.